So welcome back guys, and today we are going to do unboxing of the OnePlus 7 Pro. So let's get started. So guys, first off, let me just tell you guys that this box has been opened before. So yeah, so let me just take out this OnePlus community sticker or whatever you call it, and there we have it, the 7 Pro box. And let me just lift it up. So with this we get a OnePlus logo box. I believe it has a case in it. So as you guys can see, we do have a case in it, and let me just take out all the paperwork. And yeah, so this is the invitation letter. We will take it through sometime. Let me just keep it aside. And this is the phone itself. Just check it out. The 7 Pro, it is in mirror gray. And another thing in the box, we have got the pop charger here and some red cable, OnePlus type. So keep that aside and let me just show you guys the phone. So let me just place all the contents here. So we have got the phone here. We have got the pop charger. Let me just take it out. This, and yeah, this got actually whatever guys, the cable, basically the case, and this is all that comes in the box. No adapter for headphone jack because this doesn't comes with one. So if we take the phone out, this is the first look. So guys, let me just power it on and let me tell you the configurations of the specifications. So guys, basically this is a 30 watt charger. This is the WAP charger, as the company claims. It can charge the phone from 10 to 100 in like 30 minutes. So yeah, it's pretty good. As you can see written WAP charger. Let me just focus for you guys. Yeah, so as you can see, WAP charger here. And let me just see the output. Yes, so guys, the output is 5 volts 2 amps for normal charging and 5 volts 6 amp for WAP charging. That's pretty wild. Okay, so let's keep this aside and let me just set up the phone real quick. So guys, sorry for interrupting, but I have set up the phone, the fingerprint and everything. So let me just show you guys the fingerprint. It's pretty fast than the 60, but yeah, so this is the first look. I've changed the wallpaper and stuff like that. So let me just open Play Store. So this is the full screen. So if you take a full look at the display, it is a massive display, a 6.67 inch Quad HD panel with a weird refresh rate of 90 Hz, which we don't have in that many phones. So it is pretty good to see that in a low, like a flagship killer smartphone, or basically this is a true flagship from OnePlus first time. So yeah guys, so this is the phone itself. You let me just go to settings. It did receive one update as soon as I turned it on. I've installed that, and its security patch has been updated to April 2019. So let me just flash the color. It did take up fingerprint pretty quick, as you can see there. So this is the phone. As you can see, Snapdragon 855, 6GB RAM, 12GB, 48 triple camera. So this is the triple camera setup we have been talking about. 48 megapixel, 16 megapixel ultra wide, 8 megapixel telephoto, 3x optical zoom. So this is the Fluid AMOLED. Let me just go back and walk you through the display settings. So this is the display setting guys. Night mode, reading mode. Let me just turn this thing off. Yeah, so basically you have got a resolution. As you can see, I have switched it to FHD because a little bit of battery issue there. And so we have got the screen refresh rate here. You can turn on at 90 Hz or 60 Hz. I've kept it at 90 Hz because why I have one with 90 Hz refresh rate and not use it at 90 Hz. Yeah. So yeah, so let me just open the camera and show you guys. So this is the camera. Let me just keep this as a subject. So So yeah, the camera is looking pretty good here. This is the telephoto, as you can see, and this is the wide. You've got the plant in there also. Okay, so let me just click a picture with the wide angle. It does also have a new vibration haptic motor, which is very good as compared to the 60, but it is sort of at the pixel level. So this is again normal angle. Let me just click it, and you have got the selfie cam here. As you can see, that's the camera. So this selfie cam pops up from the box. Yeah, this is a box. So yeah, you've also got the portrait mode in there and everything usual. You have also got the night scape, which only works with the back. Let me just use it and see what happens if there is as much light as is this scenario. Capture completed, establishing, and there you go. The photo turned out pretty good with many details, as you can see. So guys, more videos on OnePlus 7 Pro coming soon. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next one.